Carrol Shelby was a legendary automotive designer, racer, and businessman who left a permanent mark on the American automaking. His legacy is being carried on by Shelby American, which produces iconic continuation models and works closely with the Ford Motor Company on delivering immensely overpowered versions of their cars. In this episode of Automotive Territory Daily News, we'll try to find out whether performance is still Shelby's business by exploring the modern lineup of the company. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, ring the notification bell, and let's start the engines. Shelby Super Snake Sport F-150. Initially started as a simple research and development exercise, the muscle pickup concept, presented at the 2019 SEMA, eventually grew into a fully-fledged production model. The Super Snake kept the majority of the specs, but added even more power into the mix. The 5-liter V8 was supplemented with a 2.9-liter Whipple supercharger, upgraded throttle body, spark plugs, and fuel injectors. The resulting dynamo tests are now showing 770 horsepower, while the stopwatch will barely manage to reach 3.4 seconds until this truck smashes the 0-60 sprint. The Shelby Ford F-150 now wears a full aerodynamic kit. The suspension is lowered, and the truck is stopped by the Bayer brake system. By the way, we must mention that this model is also offered with a naturally aspirated 395 HP engine, but since the price difference is mere $7,000, it is not worth your attention. Mustang Shelby GT500. The new Shelby GT500 is officially the quickest street-legal production Mustang to date. Under the hood of this monster hides a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine paired with a 7-speed Tramic dual-clutch transmission. The mill produces 760 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque, so the model's official 0-60 time is 3.3 seconds, and it has been reported to cover a quarter-mile distance in 10.6 seconds, without any additional mods. The car's aerodynamic design increases its downforce and thermal management. Plus, on the inside, the coupe gets several high-tech features. As standard, you get a 12-inch full-color LCD instrument cluster, an 8-inch Sync 3 infotainment, and a 9-speaker audio system. There won't be a better time to like this video, so smash the thumbs up button until it turns blue. One time is just enough. Let's get back to awesome Shelbys. Shelby Daytona Coupe CSX 9000. Shelby's COBRA Roadsters dominated the American tight road courses in 1960s, but they simply could not compete on the high-speed European circuits like the Le Mans due to the lack of aerodynamics. The task of developing a worthy competitor was given to Peter Brock and Ken Miles, who eventually built the Daytona Coupe. It eventually went on to win the FIA World Sports Car GT class in 1965, making Shelby the only American manufacturer to do so. Today, this model is reproduced as the continuation under the CSX 9000 series. The fiberglass variants are an evolution of the original, with modern features like air conditioning, updated suspension, and roomier cabin, while the aluminum bodywork models are period correct, from the leaf spring suspension and tube chassis to the wooden rimmed steering wheel. Shelby Super Snake and Bolt Package. The Super Snake moniker dates back to 1967, when it was introduced for one of the first-generation GT500 fastbacks. Currently, it exists as a separate model in the Shelby American's lineup that comes based on the current GT versions of the Mustang. The car boasts Shelby-engineered bodywork, 20-inch wheels, and 2 performance levels, 710 or 825 HP. The 5-liter Coyote engine gets new cooling and is upgraded either with a Ford or a Whipple supercharger system. The engine can be paired with a 6-speed stick or a 10-speed auto, plus there are new Brembo brakes and Ford Performance exhaust. In early 2020, the model received an exclusive 1970s-inspired bolt package that is available in 3 exclusive exterior color schemes: Twister Orange, Green Lime, and Shadow Black, all featuring matching interiors. Shelby GT40 Cinema Series. The collaboration between Shelby American, Shelby Legendary Cars, and Superformance gave birth to the official duplicates of the legendary cars showed in the Ford v Ferrari movie. Dubbed the Cinema Series, the range includes Shelby COBRA Roadsters, DAYTONA Coupes, and GT40s. The latter is built on the exact copy of the original monocoque, except for the electro-galvanized steel sheet used in the construction. The GT40 gets the original style suspension fitted with the Bilstein shocks with the H&R springs and anti-roll bars. The duplicate is delivered without a powertrain, but Shelby recommends to install the Ford-based 302, 351 Windsor, or the 427 FE Big Block for those who actually plan to drive this legend. Mustang Shelby GT350 Heritage Edition. After the latest 2019 upgrade, the 350 has solidified itself as a confident all-rounder that can perform on the track, drag strip, and city streets. The latest changes include new suspension, improvements in aerodynamics, and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. The beast hides a 5.2-liter V8 with 526 HP and 429 pound-feet of torque, and is paired with Triumph 6-speed manual. The interior comforts include Recaro cloth Miko seats with dark slate accents, 8-inch Sync 3 infotainment, and dual-zone climate control. To commemorate 55 years of the 1965 Mustang Shelby GT350 Fastback Coupe that established the brand back in the day, the 2020 model could be had with a special Heritage Edition package. It features a unique throwback livery with Wimbledon white paint, and Guardsman blue side and over-the-top racing stripes that could be added to both GT350 and GT350R for about $2,000. Shelby Dragon Snake Concept. The Dragon Snake concept is the reincarnation of a drag racing version of the Shelby COBRA, built by the company during 1960s. This time, the car is based on the new GT500, which, despite getting numerous upgrades, remains street legal. The concept receives a high downforce rear spoiler, a carbon fiber hood with extra vents, new side skirts, and a lightweight windshield. In addition, Shelby adjusted the Mustang suspension and tweaked the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Finally, the capacity of the stock 5.2-liter Predator engine is stretched to its maximum, so the supercharged mill nets over 800 horsepower. Shelby leaves us wondering how quick the Dragon Snake is on the drag strip, but keep it in mind that the stock GT500 does a quarter mile in just 11 seconds. Shelby COBRA Cinema Series. The name COBRA is often used to refer to a variety of street-legal and competition-only models that were built by the company in the 1960s. In 2000s, the Shelby produced a continuation series of their most iconic 289 and 427 COBRAs. And now, following the success of the 2019 Ford v Ferrari movie, the COBRA is being released once again, duplicating the construction and looks of the 1962-63 289s. The model is offered in 3 exclusive designs, named after the company's founder Carrol Shelby and the award-winning drivers Ken Miles and Dave McDonald. The cars come built on the original style chassis, with the leaf spring front and independent rear suspension. They have fiberglass body construction and ride on 15-inch wire wheels wrapped in Avon competition tires. Shelby Mustang Signature Series. Paying tribute to the company's founder, the limited edition Carrol Shelby Signature Series is based on the latest Ford Mustang GT in either fastback or convertible body. The model gets a hand-shaped ram air hood, new side skirts, a rear diffuser, and bigger aluminum fenders that allow to fit extra-wide one-piece forged monoblock wheels. Shelby's team also adds a high-flow Borla exhaust, a Magna-Ride performance suspension, and huge Brembo brakes, 6-piston up front and 4 in the rear. Under the Mustang's hood resides the usual 5-liter V8 engine, which is now paired to the Whipple supercharger to output 825 horsepower. Inside, the Signature Series gets bespoke interior design with leather and suede upholstery in snakeskin pattern, and it also has embroidered Carrol Shelby signature. What do you think about the modern Shelby American lineup? Does the company live up to the name of its founder even after his departure? Share your thoughts about the favorite models in the video by leaving a comment below. Check out other episodes of Automotive Territory Daily News, smash the like button, and come back soon.